You are my favorite, my everything. Hi guys. Happy Sunday. Wow, ang ganda na ibon. Okay naman yung Sunday ko. Nakapag gym na ako kaninang tanghali. Kasi may laro ako ngayong 7 p.m. So, grabe ito yan. May support din dito. May support na siya. Para hindi ko pa nakikita bagong post ni Colette. So guys, may ginagamit akong bagong moisturizer. Hindi ko pa i-share sa inyo. Soon na lang. Ay! May nag-basketball sa baba namin. Change your mind. Yes po, may lakad ako. Volleyball lang. Don't kiss me right now. Tell me that you need me, don't show up at my house. I'm caught up in your feelings, round and round. Don't build me up just to let me down, just to let me down, down, down. Don't mess with my head. Don't tell me if I'm blaming your feet. Still on the edge, I'm all out of breath. Baby, don't run me round and round. Don't kiss me now, don't kiss me right now. On your lips, just leave it if you don't need it. Ba't ka po nag-move out? Saan? Nag-move out saan? Sa dati kong unit? Kasama ko pa rin yung BFF ko. Parehas kaming nag-move out. Yung dati kasing unit namin, 4 kami. Ngayon, kumuha na lang kami na, why don't you make your hair long? Ayoko. Ayaw din ni Meme. Lumubog na daw makulit at Aura. Shut up. No. Never lulubog yun. So anyways, kumuha kami ng bagong unit ng 2 na lang kami. Yeah. Kasi hindi rin ako nagsasalita lately eh. What's that? I always never realized. Miss si Nash? Kasi yung Nash ka man.
Ha? Oh, France Cravings. May hanggang ano oras yung France Cravings? Diba hanggang Sunday yun? Kasama ko si Martin mamaya. So malayo ka na sa... No, same pa rin ng building. Same condo. Ibang unit lang. Ito oh. That's my bed. That's her bed. So, nakabili na ako ng Thursday to Monday. Ang tinatanong ko oras, May, hindi yung araw. Ano to 11 p.m. lang? Di abot. Ano ba yan? Kala mo naman pupunta talaga. Wag na lang kung nandun ka. Punta sana eh, kasi nandun ka eh. Wag na lang.
It's time that you should know this, know this. I'll catch you fly, go to the moon, lay on the floor of your living room, and talk about the things that make you cry. I'll sell my soul, sell my guitar, sleep in the back of a beat-up car. Girl, just tell me what I have to do. I'll do anything for you. You know the house I grew up in. You wouldn't knock, you just walk in. Stay up for hours talking to.
Hindi ako makapag-vlog lately kasi sobrang busy talaga. Hindi ko kayang isingit.
It's time that you should know this, know this. I'll catch you fly, go to the moon, lay on the floor of your living room, and talk about the things that make you cry. I'll sell my soul, sell my guitar, sleep in the back of a beat-up car. Girl, just tell me what I have to do. If you say you wanna leave this town tonight, then let's do it. If we're halfway there and then you change your mind, there's nothing to it. And if it takes the rest of my whole life to prove it, I'll catch you fly, go to the moon, lay on the floor of your living room, and talk about the
Lip sync tayo.
make you cry. I'll never want to.
Babe, kung nanonood ka para ako ng lip sync mo.
Tattoos on my arms. I'll go to hell back if I have to. I'll do anything for you. I'll do anything for you. I'll do anything for you.
Okay na. Okay na to.
Up all night on my mind, got me thinking. Wanna stay, can you give me a reason? I don't think so.
Yaks bading.
I don't think so.
Sino tong
I'm in
putang
love with
iyan to?
someone, but I'm not sure. She can love someone back the way they love her. I don't
Kadiri
think
ka din,
so.
tang ina mo.
I don't think so.
Anyways guys, thank you for watching. I love you so much.
If you